Hi everybody, I am Guillermo Villaseñor and this presentation is for my class Psyche A50 Workplace Attitudes, Measurements and Change at Liberty University, Dr. Benjamin Wood. My professor and I will be sharing with you 4 articles regarding organizational commitment and engagement. The first one is from Meyer and Stanley Herkovich and Topolsky, 2002. Effective continuance normative commitment to the organization, a meta-analysis of antecedents, correlates and consequences, Journal of Vocational Behavior. The purpose of these articles is to perform a meta-analysis to evaluate the connections between effective normative and continuance commitment to an organization. The link between the 3 categories of commitment and variables determined as their antecedents, consequences, and correlates in 3-component model by Meyer and Allen, 1991. The article is important because it shows the essentiality of a comparison for the link between commitment and job satisfaction. According to Meyer and Stanley, Herkovich, and Topolsky, 2002, the 3 categories of commitment are linked, yet differentiable from one another, and job involvement. Occupational commitment and job satisfaction, continuous and effective commitment correlate with their conceptualized antecedent variables. Similarly, this article confirms that the 3 categories of commitment relates negatively to turnover and withdrawal cognition. Practical significance. This article confirms that effective organizational commitment and job satisfaction should be considered to recognize and control employees' behaviors. Besides, the article confirms that organizations can benefit from interventions that encourage occupational commitment without weakening organizational commitment. Lastly, this article proves that the model of 3 components can be generalized to other employees beyond North America. Most difficult elements. The most challenging aspect of this article is the meta-analytic procedure. A literature research of articles that discusses the 3 categories of commitment is a challenging exercise. Moreover, locating an article that reports correlation of 0 order with appropriate variables is another challenging exercise. The other challenge aspect was the alleviation of sampling error during analysis. Question: which alternative strategy could help to overcome the sampling error during the meta-analytic process? Summary: this study proves that organizational commitment affects workers' satisfaction and the intentions on turnover. Besides, the analysis confirms the generalizability of the model of the 3 components beyond North America. However, the study advised for extra care when applying the model in different settings. Next article is from Sachs, AM 2006, Antecedents and Consequences of Employee Engagement, Journal of Managerial Psychology. The purpose of this study is to aim to try the antecedent model of implications on organizational and job engagements according to the theory of social exchange. The importance. This article proves the difference between organization and job engagement. Additionally, the study shows that perceived support of an organization predicts organization and job engagement. Job elements foretells job engagement, and systematic justice foretells organizational engagement. Furthermore, organization and job engagements mediate the link between antecedents and organizational commitment, job satisfaction, citizenship behavior in organizations, and quitting intentions. Results of the study shows that organization and job engagements are linked, but distinct construct, Sachs 2006. Also, this study determined that job engagement depends on both procedural justice and job characteristics. Engaged workers develop a high-quality connection with their employers to increase behaviors, attitudes, and interventions to stay committed. Significance. This study contributes to previous studies that stress the spirit of employees' engagement. It recommends that managers gain that workers' engagement is a continuous and long-lasting procedure that demands constant interaction to produce obligation and reciprocal interdependence. Moreover, such engagements must be considered a comprehensive cultural and organizational tactic to incorporate all organizational levels, series of steps and consistent communication to yield expected outcomes. Most difficult elements. Analysis of the results of the study is the most challenging part of this research. This study has numerous independent variables that increases the likelihood that at least two variables will correlate. Question: how did the researchers mitigate the threat of multicollinearity? Summary: this study confirms that organizations' engagements and job engagements are different workplace issues. Secondly, this study proves that several antecedent variables foretells organizational and job engagements. Lastly, this study demonstrates that the theory of social exchange offers significant theoretical ground to study and understand employee engagement. Next article is from Schauffele, Bakker, and Solanova, 2006. The measurement of work engagements with a short questionnaire, a cross-national study, educational and psychological measurement. This article tells the formulation of a short questionnaire to assess work engagements using the Utrecht Work Engagement Scale, UWES. This scale comprises 17 items, but the study shortened it into 9 items. Therefore, the study aimed to shorten the UWES scale, evaluate the link between burnout and engagement, study psychometric elements of the shortened UWES scale, and perform detailed evaluations with the simplified version. Importance: this study has significantly assessed work engagements and validated the scores. The shortened UWES version correlate with the initial longer counterpart and share over 80% of its variances. Engagement factors models covered in this study include vigor, absorption, and dedication. This study has confirmed that two dimensions of burnout, namely cynicism and exhaustion, affect employees' commitment at the workplace. Furthermore, this study confirms that work engagements depends on professional efficacy. Significance: this study significantly showed that work engagements increases with age of an employee, and women are less cynical compared to men. Schauffele, Bakker, and Solanova, 2006, confirms that blue-collar workers are less engaged in the workplace than managers. This article recommends that organizational managers always check employees' burnout to advise measures to boost employees' organizational behavior. Most difficult elements. The most challenging aspects of these articles are reducing the 17 items UWES scale to the shortened version and ensures the two scales correlate. Also, the analysis of data through the structural equation approach is a setback. Question: how did the researchers overcome errors when using a structural equation modeling? Summary for this article: the introduction of the shortened UWES questionnaire version to evaluate employees' engagement will stimulate more studies on significant organizational psychology. Specifically, the UWES 9 scores entire remarkable psychometric elements that can help during research to increase employee organizational behavior. The positive psychology of workers increases work engagement. And lastly, this is my fourth article from Matthew and Sajak, 1999. It reviews and meta-analysis of the antecedents, correlates, and consequences of organizational commitment. Psychological Bulletin. Purpose. Matthew and Sajak, 1990, employ a meta-analytic approach to evaluate past studies that focus on antecedents, correlates, and significance of organizational commitment. The importance of this article describes the importance of both attitudinal and calculative commitment in organizations. According to Matthew and Sajak, 1990, organizational commitment depends on various factors, such as pay policy, workload, and leadership behavior. Consequently, this commitment affects the behavioral intentions of workers and relations with colleagues at work. This study shows that career progression is a vital need to increase the loyalty of employees and reduce attrition rates. Also, job and organizational characteristics affect the commitment of employees. The behavior of subordinates at work is a direct replica of the type of leader who controls their practices. Significance. This article shows that an increase of opportunities for career advancements of employees consequently increases their commitment to work. In doing so, employees become more productive. On the other hand, organizational failure to encourage employees' career advancements negatively affects both career commitment and occupational commitment. As such, managers should focus on employee growth to increase the productivity at work. Most difficult elements on this article is part of this study. The most challenging part of this study was data coding to analyze the results of different studies. The coding process affects the results of each study, and the wrong procedures affects final results. Question. How did the researchers overcome cognitive biases when conducting the meta-analysis? And summary for this article, organizational commitment offers a critical criterion for various organizational interventions to improve the behaviors and attitudes of employees. Managers should increase socialization and participation of workers to guarantee a positive outcome on job enrichment. An understanding of how to develop and sustain a high level of employees' commitment ensures that managers consider all employees' issues when implementing organizational change. If you have any questions, this will be the time for me to answer those questions. And thank you for watching, and God bless you.